In this video tutorial, we will see how to print square pattern. We can see we have 5 number of lines. In each line, we have 5 star space character. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I, number of lines which is 5, at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. Let's write logic to print this pattern. In each and every line there are 5 star space character. That's it. Let's run our pytriangle.py file. This is our expected square pattern. We can use for loop in place of while loop. We can use any other character in place of star, and there are various other methods to execute this code.